Have you ever wondered which Audi models stand out for their reliability and quality? Today, we delve into the world of Audi cars to uncover the top 10 most reliable models that offer both performance and peace of mind. From sleek sedans to powerful SUVs, Audi has consistently delivered excellence in engineering. So, let's dive in and explore these remarkable vehicles that have earned their place as the most dependable choices in the Audi lineup. Number 1. 2016 Audi A3 8V. Kicking off our list is the 2016 Audi A3 8V, which received an impressive reliability score of 83/100 from J.D. Power. This third-generation hatchback introduced the Audi A3 e-tron PHEV, expanding its appeal. Despite fierce competition, the 2016 A3 holds its ground with a used market price around $19,990, making it a cost-effective choice for luxury enthusiasts. Number 2. 2016 Audi A6 4G. The 2016 Audi A6 4G underwent a significant facelift to stay competitive in its class. With enhancements in design, technology, and performance, the A6 maintained its popularity. It earned a reliability score of 83/100, offering a compelling option for those seeking refinement and sophistication in their sedan. Number 3. 2023 Audi A3 8Y. As Audi's fourth-generation A3, the 2023 model stands out with its striking design and improved reliability. With a J.D. Power score of 84/100, it surpasses its predecessors, setting new standards for longevity and performance. Owners can enjoy the confidence of owning a vehicle that combines style, efficiency, and durability. Number 4. 2018 Audi A4 B9. The 2018 Audi A4 B9 shines as a top performer in the compact premium car segment. Boasting a reliability score of 85/100, it exemplifies Audi's commitment to excellence. From its range of turbocharged engines to its refined interior, the A4 delivers a driving experience that exceeds expectations. Number 5. 2014 Audi A7. With its distinctive lift-back design and advanced features, the 2014 Audi A7 commands attention on the road. Its reliability score of 85/100 speaks to its durability and performance, making it a sought-after choice among luxury sedan enthusiasts. With cutting-edge technology and timeless style, the A7 remains a standout in its class. Number 6. 2015 Audi Q3. The 2015 Audi Q3 captured hearts with its compact SUV design and impressive safety ratings. Boasting a reliability score of 85/100, it outshines competitors in its class, offering peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. With its combination of versatility and dependability, the Q3 continues to be a popular choice for urban adventurers. Number 7. 2016 Audi A7. Following a facelift in 2015, the 2016 Audi A7 emerged with enhanced features and improved reliability. With a strong J.D. Power score of 85/100, it maintains its reputation as a luxury sedan that delivers both style and substance. From its advanced infotainment system to its powerful engines, the A7 remains a standout choice for discerning drivers. Number 8. 2015 Audi A5. As the end of its first generation, the 2015 Audi A5 impresses with its reliability score of 87/100. Offering a blend of performance and elegance, it continues to captivate enthusiasts looking for a stylish coupe. With its accessible price point and refined engineering, the A5 remains a timeless icon in the Audi lineup. Number 9. 2013 Audi A4 B8. The 2013 Audi A4 B8 represents the pinnacle of quality and reliability in its model line. With an outstanding score of 87/100, it embodies Audi's dedication to craftsmanship and innovation. Whether cruising city streets or tackling winding roads, the A4 delivers a driving experience that exceeds expectations. Number 10. 2010 Audi A6 4F. Rounding out our list is the 2010 Audi A6 4F, hailed as the most reliable used Audi available. With an exceptional score of 89/100, it sets the standard for longevity and performance. Despite its age, the A6 remains a formidable contender in the luxury sedan market, offering unparalleled value and prestige. Audi continues to raise the bar for reliability and quality with its impressive lineup of vehicles. From sedans to SUVs, each model offers a unique blend of performance, comfort, and innovation. Whether you're seeking a sleek commuter car or a spacious family vehicle, Audi has something for everyone. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.
Hey, automotive enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of automotive excellence as we explore the best Toyota engines that have left an indelible mark on the industry. From the legendary 2JZ GTE to the nimble 3S GTE, we've got an exciting journey ahead. So buckle up and join us as we unravel the engineering marvels that power some of the most iconic rides on the road. Number 5. Toyota 2JZ GTE 3.0 L-Twin Turbo Inline 6. The 2JZ GTE is an automotive legend, powering the iconic Toyota Supra. Known for its robust construction, the inline 6 configuration provides a smooth power delivery. Enthusiasts admire its durability, making it a favorite for high-performance modifications. The twin-turbo setup contributes to its impressive power potential, making it a staple in the tuning community. Its legacy extends beyond its original production years, with many still seeking vehicles equipped with this engine for various applications, including drifting and drag racing. Number 4. Toyota 3S GTE 2.0L turbocharged inline 4. The 3S GTE is a compact powerhouse featured in models like the Celica and MR2. Despite its smaller displacement, this turbocharged inline 4 engine punches above its weight, delivering strong power output. It earned its stripes in rally racing, showcasing both reliability and performance. The 3S GTE has become a favorite for enthusiasts who appreciate a balance of power and agility in a lightweight package. Number 3. Toyota 1JZ GTE 2.0 turbocharged inline 6. Similar to the 2JZ GTE, the 1JZ GTE is renowned for its performance capabilities. It's often found in the Toyota Chaser and Mark II in Japan. Its combination of a relatively small displacement and a turbocharger results in a potent power plant. Number 2. Toyota 2GR-FE 3.5L V6. Moving into the realm of modern V6 engines, the 2GR-FE has powered a variety of Toyota and Lexus models. This engine is praised for its smooth performance and efficiency, striking a balance between power and fuel economy. Commonly found in vehicles like the Camry, Avalon, and Lexus RX, the 2GR-FE showcases Toyota's commitment to delivering reliable and refined power plants. Its technological advancements, such as dual VVT-i, contribute to its widespread adoption in both mainstream and luxury vehicles. Number 1. Toyota 1UZ FE 4.0 LV8. The 1UZ is a V8 engine that found fame in the Lexus LS400. Despite being an older design, its reputation for refinement, smooth power delivery, and reliability persists. Enthusiasts appreciate the 1UZ FAE for engine swap projects, breathing new life into a variety of platforms. The sound and character of this V8, coupled with its adaptability, make it a sought-after choice for those seeking a balance between performance and elegance. And that concludes our deep dive into the best Toyota engines. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your fellow gearheads. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting automotive content. Which Toyota engine is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for riding along with us. Until next time, drive safe and may the road ahead be full of horsepower and adventure. See you in the next video.